Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Canva color picker tool for precise hex codes. So in order to begin guys, open up your project and open your design. Click the text box, shape, graphic icon or background you want to apply the new color to. So let me just go ahead and choose something simple, say this, and I'll choose this little piece of text right here. Then look at the top floating toolbar above the editor canvas and click the color, which will be right here, color. In my case, as you can see, it's transparent. Then this panel on the left will open. At the top of the left color panel, click on the plus icon, add your brand colors, and now as you can see, we have our box with hex color. And in here, you can either choose this, right? So you can just visually see what color this is, and just use your mouse cursor to choose the color. If maybe you have a company or something, or you have your particular style and you have a important and accurate hex code, you can just delete all of these numbers and letters and just input your own. For example, this will be, what is this? This is just white. So you can just customize it in any way you wish. So that is it guys, enjoy, subscribe to the channel as well, and don't forget to comment as well.